As a Shopify merchant, or as an accountant or bookkeeper who works with Shopify merchants, you know that it's important to keep up with your bookkeeping so you can understand your Shopify store's financial performance. But Shopify bookkeeping can be confusing and take up a lot of time. You might already be using Xero accounting software, but you're looking for a way to easily get your Shopify sales data into Xero. Up until now, you might not have been accounting or bookkeeping for your Shopify store. Or maybe you're entering Shopify data into Xero manually. Or maybe you've been coding the entire Shopify payout to a sales account. These options might work for you for a short time, but as your Shopify store grows and you transition to accrual accounting, you might run into some challenges. Consider Shopify payouts. They're not just sales. They're actually a combination of sales, fees, refunds, and other transactions. Figuring out what transactions make up a payout can be confusing. Shopify provides reports that include this information, but manually reviewing these reports and getting them to balance in Xero can be time-consuming. That's why setting up an integration between Shopify and Xero can help. An integration will enable your Shopify transaction data to flow seamlessly into Xero. There are a couple of ways you could set this up. One way is to use a generic data syncing app that sends across every individual Shopify order to Xero. This could work for smaller Shopify merchants, but you might run into some issues with this as your store grows. For example, you could overload Xero. A better option is to use A2X. A2X connects Shopify and Xero, so all of your Shopify transaction data can flow into Xero. A2X organizes all your Shopify transactions, sales, fees, gift cards, refunds, and more into detailed summaries that reconcile perfectly in Xero. Integrating Shopify and Xero with A2X is easy. Here's how to get set up. First, sign up for an A2X account at a2xaccounting.com. Next, connect A2X to Xero. All you need is your Xero login. Then you'll need to connect A2X to Shopify. Again, all you need is your login, or you can request access to the store. Once A2X is connected to Xero and Shopify, it's time to map your Shopify transactions to your chart of accounts. Navigate to the Accounts and Taxes page, where you can choose how to categorize your Shopify transactions to your chart of accounts. A2X can help you automate this. Once you've completed your accounts and tax mapping, go to the Payouts tab. This is where you can review and post payouts from A2X to Xero. The final step is to reconcile in Xero. A2X will post settlement data as an invoice in Xero. Log into Xero and navigate to the bank feed. Find the payout from Shopify. Next to it, you will see the invoice from A2X, ready to be reconciled. And there you go. Shopify bookkeeping with Xero can be that easy. Integrating Shopify and Xero with A2X can help save you time on bookkeeping and get more accurate financials. For more information, visit a2xaccounting.com.